Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Rohit Nair, your financial planner. So this week I'm going to speak about a very interesting topic. This is something that a lot of my clients ask me. What is life insurance and do I really need life insurance? So we're going to look at it today. Let's get started. In our last video, we saw the importance of health insurance. And where does health insurance come into? The health insurance is actually the base of your financial pyramid. If you have not seen the financial pyramid video, I am going to put up a link over here. Yes. And if you have not seen the health insurance video, I am again going to put up a link. Okay. Now, today I am going to talk about one important aspect, and that is life insurance. I don't know how many of you know this, but life insurance is actually made by the rich for the rich. Yeah, I know it is surprising, but that is how it is. Let's understand it like that. You have a car and you have a bicycle. What would you like to insure? Definitely the car, right? Why? Because it's of high value. As simple as that. The rich understood this one simple thing. And there is also one more thing that rich understood, and that is they have a lot of stress. There's a lot of workload, there's a lot of things and decisions that they have to take, and their business is expanding day by day, right? The only thing that they need is peace of mind, because they understand if there is peace of mind, they can work properly, they can give a more and better output in their work, and the business can grow. So, if that is the thing and that is what they understood, they realized that this can only be given by life insurance. Because life insurance will give them peace of mind, and how, I'm going to tell you just in a bit. All these big people, they have a lot of money, right? They have big properties, people have a lot of properties, they have real estate, they have assets, so different places where they have parked their money, right? And they are always worried about this one thing. My clients always tell me that, Rohit, if tomorrow I'm not there, I don't want my family to start selling off the assets that I have built. So today I have 3 or 4, houses which are on rent right now. So they are giving them rent income. There are a few bungalows that they have. They have all these different types of assets. So these people are generally worried about this thing, that Rohit, if I'm not there tomorrow, I don't want my family members to start selling off my assets. Yes, there is my child's education, and okay, I'll sell off this flat, and the money which will come, I'll give it to the child's higher education. Yes, there is marriage, and I have another land, I'll sell that off. So it will not happen, and if that happens, all the assets and properties that I have built so far, it will go off in a year. So that was their biggest worry. What did these people do is they all gathered and they started putting some money to create a pool of money. So all as each individual started putting in some amount of money, right? And everyone together made a pool of money. Now, one of the people who has put in money dies tomorrow. What used to happen is, from the pool of money, a certain amount was given back to the family, so that their financial health is restored. So they are good to do financially. And that's exactly what life insurance is. Every one of us take a policy, and in that policy we pay premium. That premium is the sum amount of money that we give, right? And the company gives us a bond which says sum assured. Sum assured is what you mean by the insurance value, right? So someone says, say 1 crore sum assured. So we gave some money, against that the company gave us 1 crore sum assured as a security. So if tomorrow something happens to me, the company from that pool of money will give 1 crore to my family. That's as simple as that. That is how life insurance works. I think it is always wise to take a decision to protect your hard-earned money that you have always worked so hard for, to build the properties and everything that you have created, right? So if I spend 1% of whatever I earn throughout the year to secure 100% of the wealth, I think it's a good bargain. And that's what life insurance is. And do you really need it? I think definitely yes. That's it from my side. I hope you guys have understood what life insurance is and do you really need it. Please like, share and subscribe my video and share it with your family and friends, because not everyone understands why life insurance is important. If this message is passed across to everyone why it is important, today people will not die poor. The families who don't have, their husbands have not taken life insurance, if you go and ask that widow, you will understand what financial struggle she is going through. Please help and spread this video so most of the people around you will know about this fact and they will buy some life insurance. That's it from my side. Jai Hind. Do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notified every time I put up a new video.